Hi and welcome to Tech Geek. Today we are going to show you how to reset Windows 10 to factory default without losing data. Before we get started, if you like this video, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. If you find that your Windows computer is abnormal or infected by a virus but is unable to recover, the best way to solve this problem is to reset it to a factory default. As you can see, there are some data files in the Documents and Download folders. To reset Windows, click the Start icon and click Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Recovery. Under Reset this PC, click Get Started button. Click Keep My Files to keep the data files. Click the Next and Reset buttons to continue. Then, Windows will be resetted to default. After several minutes, the computer will be ready for login. As you can see, the files under Documents and Download are not deleted. And that is the end of the video. We hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.